This printer is Epson WorkForce WF2840. I'm going to show you how to print documents from your phone with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your phone are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. We connected the printer and phone via Wi-Fi network and using Epson Smart Panel. This is the printer and ink level. I want to show you how to print document. To print document, then you select print. Then select print documents. Then it will show you documents available. So select the document. This is the document I want us to print out, one-page document. Then select print settings. Select the size. Scroll down to select A4. Plain paper. Quality high. I want to print this two-sided is off. Want to print it in color. Then you select number of copies. Then select done. Then select print. So the document is printing. This is the document we printed out. Another way to print document with this printer is for us to go to select my files on your phone. Select my files. Then it will show you documents or image. So select documents. Then scroll down to select particular document you want to print out. Select the document. Then it will ask you open with OneDrive. Select just once. So the document is going to open. This is the document, two-page document. Tap on the screen, select the three dots on top, then select print. So scroll down, so select Epson WorkForce. So select Epson WorkForce, then you select the size as A4, plain paper. We want to print two-sided, select print two-sided, long edge. Then select this yellow icon, printer icon to print the document. Select print. So the document is printing. So these are ways to print documents with this printer. This is the document we printed out, two-sided in color. So these are ways to print documents with this printer and from mobile phone. Thank you very much indeed.